Hey there, it's Brittany, and it's one of my favorite days of the month. We have the November Magical Mystery Bead Box. I'm super excited. I've heard people say that it's really nice, so I want to see what's in it. I'm so excited. You will see me make a video from the contents of this box this month. Ooh, the card is so cute. Look at this. Sugar and spice. It's eye candy. Look, we've got cake and baking supplies. I love baking. Hate cooking, but I love baking. Fruit cake, cupcakes, gingerbread, and a cake roll. Oh my gosh, that's cute. I love it. Oh, and it's a recipe card. That's really cool. I'm so excited. I'm excited to see what's in here. Oh my gosh, look, it's cute. Oh, this is actually giving me like happy, like, I don't know, is it serotonin? I don't know if it's dopamine or serotonin. I got to look up the difference. I am not a science person, so we are firmly in the arts over here. Okay, so this one's Christmas Cupcakes number 1. Look at these. These are so cute. I don't know. I think this is a lampwork bead, but it's like a hollow bubble with like wreath or Christmas tree motif over it. We've got some larger Pandora beads. That's just cool. It's very simple strand, but the beads are so pretty. Look at that. I love these. The bigger, I love those. I'm laughing because it's just such a cute packaging. You'll see in a second. Actually, I'll show them to you all at the same time so you know what I'm talking about, because it's really cute seeing them all together. And I don't know what's in them, but I'm just going to show you. Aren't these cute? They're like little tubes. So we've got ginger bead mix, and we're going to go through all of these. I'm not going to just show you the tubes. We have saffron. We have cloves. I don't like cloves in real life, but I like the beads. We have Himalayan salt. That's so cute. And cardamom. That is so interesting. And then we have a little sprinkles. That's cute. And another strand, sugar cookies. Oh, this is cute. I like it. Oh, look, it's got a little heart with polka dots. Oh my goodness, those make me so happy. These remind me of like the old Rudolph like claymation movies. That's what this strand reminds me of, with those hearts and the dots. And I love like the off-brand Christmas colors, like the off green red colors. I don't mean off-brand, but like off in a different spectrum of colors. I love this. This blue heart makes me so happy. So we have the 2 bead strands. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mixes. We have the small mix, and then this mix and measure metal mix. This is so cute. I love this box. All right, let's see what's in the mix and measure metal mix. The names are super cute. We always see some really fun and creative names from Jesse James Beads. So we got a bead cap stuck on a bead. Okay, so we got some 2 antique brass hollow beads. I love this one. I've used this one before from Jesse James Beads, and they make me so happy. They're like very high quality metal. Some little flower bead caps. Then we have 4 of this one. I think I have those in silver, but not gold like that. Then we have 2 square like pillow beads with a flower on them. Those are really cool. Those would be fun to paint. And then 2 more square pillow beads, different type of flower on them. 2 more of this bead cap. These are really neat. Look, these are large large whole beads with hearts on them. So cute. We've got some antique brass flower bead caps, antique copper flower bead caps. Or these are almost like snow. I don't know if you can hear her, but Goldie is doing something in the hallway. I don't know what she's doing. And then some leaf bead caps. That's cool. It's a little bead cap and metal bead mix. That's neat. And I love these resealable little pouches that they include. They're just a little bit nicer quality. Well, not a little bit, but a much nicer quality than the plastic baggies that I typically use. And I always store my stuff in baggies, so I appreciate those a lot. All right, so let's see what's in sprinkles. So it looks like Millefiori glass. I love these. I can't remember. I actually haven't gone back through last month's kit. I can't remember if we had these in there. I know I've seen these recently, but I love them. I love those beads. Those could have been in something else, though. And then we have some little green flowers. We have a little heart, a little black and white and yellow. This is so fun. It is like little sprinkles. We've got a purple heart, little orange flowers, some blue faceted glass, little tiny babies, little tiny yellow faceted glass. Those really look like sprinkles. Little tiny pink faceted glass. These are even smaller. A little yellow heart with a flower in it. Little blue flowers. I love these. Oh, that guy's broken. And oh no, this green guy's broken too. And then we have some like opalite faceted rondelles and some little orange faceted rondelles. Cute little tiny sprinkle mix. So we have 5 of these to go through. I'm just going to go through them as they're sitting on my board here. So we have cardamom first. I don't know that I would be able to pick out the flavor cardamom on anything. I'd have to like know that I was biting into it. So we have some crystal rondelles. Some more in like a green teal. Lots of sparkle in this box. Some small silver star bead caps. Bicones. Some spacers. These are tiny. I love those. Different shape of faceted glass or crystal. We've got like a barrel, like a rectangle, another rectangle. These are matte glass. And that looks like that's it for that mix. But those are really nice, like small beads to use in earrings and bracelets and as spacers on necklaces. Next we have Himalayan salt. So pretty. We've got some cubes. We've got, oh, these are just such cool shapes. They're like a faceted pumpkin shape. That looks like a rose quartzy color. It's glass, but it looks like rose quartz. And then I haven't seen this spacer before. That's interesting. And it's got a larger hole, so you could potentially fit some cord through there. We've got some tiny crystal rondelle spacers. We've got, I think these are check fire polished pressed glass beads. Some little crystal rondelles, little tiny filigree bead caps, some bicones, 6mm, and I think that's it for this mix. Ginger. This is like a citrine color, and I love this color because it's my birthstone. So I really like this mix. I don't like ginger. It's weird. I'm very particular about ginger when I eat it. Like ginger snaps, great. Ginger root, very seldomly like that. So then we have, okay, this shape again, but a small, or I'm sorry, but a larger than it was in the cardamom. Then we have a bicone. We've got some little crystal rondelles. We've got some pretty cubes. I love cubes. I rarely use them, but I love them. They're so sparkly. We've got little gold crystal rondelle spacers. Some gold filigree caps. That's a cool one. It looks almost like rope. A little like barrel shape, very small. And then, oh, a second cube shape, or a second cube color, bright yellow. I like that. I think that's all. Oh, no. I missed these. They're rounds, faceted rounds. Very cool. Then saffron. Again, I don't think I would be able to pick out the flavor of saffron. I don't know that I've ever had it in any quantity that I would be able to recognize the flavor. All right, so we've got some beautiful red cubes. These are neat. They're like elongated bicones. Very cool. Very dark red. Some rounds. Those look like holly berries. We've got some, I think that's a fire polish bead. And a crystal rondelle, dark red. A bicone. Another crystal rondelle. Oh, antique brass daisy. Then we've got some gold daisies. And I think that's it for this mix. It's still pretty sparkly and pretty yummy. I mean, the sheer amount of beads you get in this box is kind of crazy this month. Lots of beads. Now, if you're a small bead person, you're probably in bead heaven. If you're a large bead person, you're probably like, what can I make from this? But I'm excited. I like the different colorways that they chose. Plus, we have all these big beads over here. And then last but not least, we have cloves. Ooh, I like this mix. Okay, so we have some matte rounds in black. Some check glass. Actually, I don't know if these are check, but they're definitely like fire polished shape. They're black. We have bicones. We have, oh, this is an interesting shape. We've got some hematite arrows. Those are neat. I would love to use those on some earrings. We've got like a fluted triangle. Some hematite spacers, or they're probably metal, but they look like the hematite color. And some really neat, I love these crystal rondelle spacers. They're like antique copper, antique brass with like a darker crystal in it. And some tiny bicones. I mean, those are teeny tiny. So very cool. I'm loving this box. I really love the theme, like the baking theme and the packaging. And you could just keep these in here. You don't have to find another bag after unboxing everything like I usually do. So I like this. I like this box. Let me know what you think about this box. I will be making a video using this box later this month. And or well, actually it'll be in December, and because today's the last day, or tomorrow's the last day of November. All right, let me know what you think. I enjoyed it. My favorite part was absolutely these two strands, and then more specifically this one, because I just love that blue with the pink heart. And I thought we got a pretty good mix of stuff this month. Oh, I forgot this guy, and I lost a bead. So let me know what you think. I hope you had fun watching me unbox, and stay tuned for Goldie. If you want to purchase this box or subscribe to the Magical Mystery Bead Box, I have an affiliate link in the description of this video. And that'll get you signed up. Let me know if you need anything, and I hope you have a good day. Bye-bye.
Let's see, I think it was over here to the right.
You think or you know?
I know. I just moved it.
One